Okay, so I just want to show you guys something. In here we have our sourdough starter that's putting up quite some bubbles. We've got a sourdough loaf that's just gone in the oven, but I feel like we need to rev up our starter a little bit. So what I've noticed here is I've got this red cabbage, and you see this sort of white stuff that's growing on it? That is all natural yeast, and you'll see this on berries, on fruits, and all over the place. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to nick some of that natural yeast, and I'm just going to bung it in there. And like, it doesn't really matter what you get it from, but you can just put it in. You can find yeast almost everywhere. But just by mixing that in there, I'm just going to leave that for a couple of hours, and that should put in a natural yeast that we've just found on this cabbage, and that is going to rev up our starter nicely.